So both are strong expertise in AI engineering and both are full stack development. So Kanupriya, you can see the online, right? She is engineering lead at LLM 4S and Shubham is software engineer at Nomura. And he is also GSOP's 25 contributor. So today they both are going to introduce us LLM 4S, a framework for building reliable AI system in JVM ecosystem, which is faster, safer, and production ready. So let's welcome Shubham and Anupriya.
Thank you, everyone. Good afternoon. I'm Kanutriya Kalra, and today I'll walk you through how we can build reliable AI systems in Scala using LLM for it. Scala is a functional programming language. My co-presenter is Shubham, who is representing LLM for his team today in person. And I couldn't fly from San Francisco as I have another talk here in Samsung office on the same topic. This talk is about moving beyond prototype towards building AI systems that behave predictably, scalably, and responsibly. Why this matters? Today in AI development, teams are forced to choose between speed and safety, fast iteration or tight safety, production readiness or developer's velocity. You can't have both with most favor. NLM for us asks a simple question: why not both? By embedding reliability into the diet system, we eliminate entire classes of runtime failures before the model even runs. Now, what is the AI hype versus reality? The data says, which is brutally honest, that 95% of genuine pilots fail. Now, I am not saying this. NYT report is talking here. 88% never make it to production. Only about 5% get successfully implemented. Why is this happening? Hallucinations, missing grounding, no observability, bad latency, and missing feedback cycles. We are past the phase of full demos. Enterprises now want critical systems, and those need structure, not just vibes. Introducing NLM4S. NLM4S is an open source AI toolkit which brings tight safety, powerful programming principles, and JVM reliability into AI development. It integrates with your existing Scala plus JVM stack with no ecosystem switching required. A reliable AI system is not just an LLM, it's LLM plus context, it's data, tools, observability, governance, feedback cycles. This layered design ensures stability and trust at scale. Now let's talk about five pillars of reliability. The design philosophy that we use has composable modules which are made of RAG, agents, tracing, and tools. Type safety, which is coming from prompt and context errors, which are caught at compile time. Next, we have tracing or observability, which Shubham worked on, implemented. So, this is about seeing what is going on inside the black box. Multi provider abstraction, we all know OpenAI, Anthropic, Gemini, Azure. And the last one, scalability, which is about consistent APIs and plug and play. Now let's talk about core capabilities. NLM4S works across providers with one interface, no lock-in. Compiler safety, electrics, and its failures. Functional error handling via either ensures no suppressed exceptions. It framework supports single or multi-agent workflows and auto-tool calling. Built in lighting modern support for text, images, and voice. And the very important one, RAL, which we all know about. It has built-in retrieval pipelines for the same. So why join this open source project? So this is the first AI framework in the Scala ecosystem. You get to shape its direction with maintainers and principal and staff engineers. It is the only project which has weekly live coding sessions, which are about real learning and not just about passive tutorials. Multiple contributors like Shubham have been funded under the famous Google open source initiatives like Open Summer of Code, creating with internship opportunities. It's a growing global community and early contributors stand out. Now let's talk about the team. It's led by experts like Ronnie Grace, who has 30 years of experience and is a Scala compiler contributor. Then next is Kanupriya, which is me. And going further, we have Atul, Bitul, and Dimitri. Most of them are based out of UK and US. Each of them lead a major pillar related to architecture, functional programming design, tool integration, and error hierarchy. And Shubham here contributes to the tracing system, focusing on observability and structured visibility. So let's talk about the live coding sessions. Every Sunday, 9 a.m. London time, which is around 1 p.m. India time, all of us meet and talk about the progress. The community votes on what to build, the mock program, design together, and ship features. It's a great place for everyone who's interested in building this project to come and talk about it. It's also a great place for those who know nothing about AI and want to become part of initiatives like Google Summer of Code. So, this makes contributors really understand this AI system and its design end to end. Now let's talk about the career impact. You stand out contribute as you contributed to the first AI based framework made in Scala language. Early adopter advantage is a very big advantage. When Scala plus AI becomes mainstream, you are already ahead. Opportunities for content stocks, open source durability, and serious hiring value. All the Google internship 25 students got breakneck opportunities, and some of them have already secured jobs in Google offices. About the progress and momentum, 2025 achievements include Google Summer of Code selection and secure funding for all the internship students. Then we were able to make sure we have multi-provider abstraction in place, agent frameworks running, LAMP keys replacing enabled, secure execution via Docker and sandboxing. We presented at global Scala and AI conferences in 10 plus countries, including US, UK, Switzerland, Germany, Singapore, and India. Now, here at Oasis AI Conference Google. Also, we have V1.0. Yes, that is our production version, shipping very, very soon. So, what does production ready actually means? It means tight shape, which is about constructors, pattern matching, compile time checks. It's about error handling, both recoverable and non recoverable. It means observability, which is about tracing, token usage, performance metrics. It's about scalability, like in terms of async ops, context management, connection pooling. And it's also about security, isolated execution, safe API key handling. So if you want to know where we are and where we are going to production, feel free to join the webinars and you can know exactly what's going on in all of these. And we have a global community. I already spoke a bit about this that contributors from Switzerland, India, US, UK, Poland, Germany, Turkey, Singapore are helping build this. Projects include Agentic Toolkit, RAG in a Box, multi-model support, and Shubham's tracing system. This is an entire library that supports backend systems, data pipelines, and hardware-related integration. Thank you all for being such an amazing audience. If you want to explore, contribute, or even build your next AI product with Scala, come talk to me or Shubham. after this session. Let's build the future of reliable AI together. Thank you.